Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect fried eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, some butter or oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches, for the best cooking experience. A clean pan ensures even heat, which is key to a beautifully cooked egg. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare the pan. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes to warm it up gently. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil to the pan, letting it melt and coat the surface. Before adding them to the pan, crack each egg individually into a small bowl. This helps you avoid shell fragments and ensures each egg is perfect. With your pan ready, carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the hot pan. Give them a little space so they cook evenly. For a classic runny yolk, cook your eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Watch the whites set and the edges crisp up slightly. This is where the magic happens. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to season them. Immediately sprinkle with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance their flavor. Using a thin spatula, gently slide the eggs from the pan onto your plate. They're perfect on a piece of toast, alongside some bacon, or as part of a hearty breakfast. Enjoy your perfectly fried eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.